Hi guys, good morning. I am here in our side yard garden. So yesterday I did work this area because this is our next project. We are going to put mulch. So before that I have to do like thin dividing and transplanting some plants here. So like this iris, this one is an iris. I have to divide it and transplant over. Oh, there's a lot of bees. And we have yarrow this area. I remove. I only have like, I plant another yarrow, put back some yarrow, but it's only 3. So this area I have to plant some daylily. I have daylily need to be divided, so I have to put daylily here. So I asked my husband that we can do mulching after I am done. I'm done dividing, transplanting, weeding. So yeah, that's all I have to do. So I divide the lily also yesterday. I have 3 lily here, so that's it. And then transplant some of the shade plants, shady plants, shade loving plants. So the big project yesterday, my husband said I am look like playing in the mud because it's raining. So I dig the big clumps overgrown yarrow. So I dig it. So that's the area. The whole area is yarrow. So I dig and yet like flip over some of this soil and make sure there's no roots. And then I transplant this what they called foxglove. Then we have plants here that I dig also. Yeah, I divide it. That plant is this kind of, I don't know what is the name. This is early blooming. Storm cloud. Yeah, that's a storm cloud. So I divide it. 4, they become 4 of them. So I put 1, this one, 1, 2. That's early blooming. They are early blooming. 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5. Oh, I have another one. So I made 6 plants of that. So that's a storm cloud. I have to put this this one. I have to put this over her. Then I'm gonna continue. I don't know. This is you know what? This is really peony. I don't know what is going on. This is this kind of peony tree. That's why I also divide this, because I need this peony have room to grow. The tall is 4 to 5 feet and wide is 4 to 5 feet also. That's why I try to give them room to grow, but I don't know if it is alive. So hopefully it's alive. Yeah, I'll put this tag later on. And roses, I thought I will never see these roses again. Yeah, this is so shady. Then I have cornflower need to be dig and transplant. And then divide this iris. I will put some iris over here. Move a little bit. Yeah, this side I will put some iris, and then here I will put some iris because that's a tall one. And then later on, if the cornflower are done blooming, I'll put cornflower here and cornflower there. Yeah, a lot of project. Falling weeds. This one is, I don't know what is going on with this thing. Here need to be planned some stuff. I just have to find some hasta. Oh, I have to plant also this iris. Find some place for the iris. That's it. That's our plan for this garden. Do some weeding and then put some mulch. I know it will take maybe 200 bags for this area. 200 bag of mulch. Look at my Dell. Oh boy. They become crazy. Taller than me. That's why I have to fix this garden. Can't believe the Dell are taller than me. Yeah, this is the from this tree. 2 years ago we put mulch here from this tree going there. Yeah, that's the whole thing. Our have mulch, but that's 3 years ago. That's 3 years ago. So the mulch are gone. So it's about time to put also additional mulch. Yeah, from this tree. Hello, what is that? Hold on, guys. Oh, what? Oh, okay. There's a lot of weeds. So this is the area also that we are done mulching. So this is the best looking now in the garden. Cornflower. Wow, it is beautiful. I love this cornflower. I have yellow Shasta Daisy also. I have Rubiki at the back. I have Forever Goldie. And I also transplant some hydrangea. That's a Bobo hydrangea. This is hydrangea I planted 2020 but never have any bloom. Oh, that's a butterfly. Monarch. There's a monarch butterfly. Yeah, we have daylily, but that bunny or no, that's not bunny. What's kind of there? Eat my daylily. Oh, that's a beautiful butterfly. So at least I have red cornflower, yellow cornflower. And that's a lilac. Oh boy. Then I plant some iris here. Hopefully they can survive. This is a huge weed. Need to pull this. Oh boy, my okra. Who ate my okra? Oh, ginoo ko. This weed is really big. Look at that weed. Oh, the okra. That is gone. Can't believe it. And that's our backyard. Backside our porch patio. Back patio. Garden. It's pretty. Really beautiful. Hydrangea. This is little quick fire hydrangea. Okay. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have to do some work today. Gladulous. We need to clean our house also. Last year my husband don't do flower washing, so this year I guess we have to call some company because we're having hard time climbing the ladder. So this area is getting better. So bye everyone, bye for now.